Oh, what's up, gamers? And I'm back with more blocks, and I'm playing Roblox again. Why can't I move? Oh god, this is a bad video. Oh no. Okay, and so I'm playing Natural Tycoon, and it's pretty good game. There's there's a lot of people in the game, and what you do is you go to the island down there, and you survive from the bad weather, and it's a pretty fun game because the bad weather is bad and it kills you, and oh god, and we're gonna order a taco or whatever they serve here at the taco. I don't know, and okay, and I can't show that. What the? It's snowing. Oh, is that a dead person? Yeah, he's dead. And it's snowing, and it's gonna get pretty cold, but luckily I brought my hat and my leg things, and I should be able to win pretty easily. And oh god, is that a tree? And sorry for saying "and" so many times, but it's my Tourette's going off on me. The trees have fallen over. Also, the taco joint is being killed by the snow. The snow is not messing around today. It's like I don't know what to describe it. Describe it? No. All the trees are falling over because of snow. Okay, and the trees fell over. Oh my god, this is such a long video. I'm getting exhausted. And oh my god, look at that. All the snow chunks are falling off the little island. And remember, guys, you have to stay on the island, and you cannot die. Okay. You cannot die by the snow because it gets pretty cold. But the snow isn't the bad weather. There's worse weather like twisters and I think hurricanes is one of them. And oh my god, he's rich. I wish I could be that rich. Okay, I gotta stop. Sorry, I gotta stop. Oh, I won! Oh, where's me? I can't read. Sorry, but I definitely survived because I made it back up without dying. And we're gonna check how many wins I have. And I have, yeah, I don't know.